Santa Rosa is located about an hour north of San Francisco, Northern California in Sonoma County.
It's a little piece of paradise.
We are known as the Peanuts Airport. We have Snoopy as our mascot. Charles M. Schultz is the founder of Snoopy and Charlie Brown because he was a lifelong resident here in Sonoma County. He is our mascot for Santa Rosa. We are known as wine country, so people travel to Santa Rosa for Napa Valley wine. The town of Sonoma is about a 40-minute drive east of here.
STS is just really conveniently located. You don't have to fly into SFO anymore. You can fly into STS.
I call it the boutique premium experience here because it's very personable. We make sure that people are supported in their travels in the best way possible.
We have a great crew here. We're all cross-trained agents, so any given day we come in and we have 7 positions that we fill to provide service to our passengers and customers.
I love that I could count on my people, that we could count on each other. Even if we're irritated, even if we had a bad night of sleep, we come here, we check it at the door, and we do what we gotta do.
So it makes it fun because every day is different. No 2 days are the same.
Currently we have the EMB 175s. They're coming in here, and so we handle all the ground handling, the baggage that comes in and goes out on those flights.
Currently 2 Phoenix flights per day and 1 Dallas flight per day.
I absolutely love it here.
If somebody wants to come here, be treated fairly, and travel the world, yeah, definitely jump on. I'd recommend anybody to come up here and check us out.